What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Continuing with the basics, today we are going to focus on single foot jumps. So let's begin. Let me show you how the jump rope trick looks. It is one of the easiest jump rope trick which you can learn in no time, but there are three things which you need to take care while performing the jump rope trick. The first one is balance. You should be able to maintain balance on single foot. And the second one is strength. You need to have that kind of strength to perform the jump rope trick for a longer time. And the third one is height, up to which height you have to jump so that the jump rope can pass under your feet and you will be able to perform single foot jumps without tripping. To perform this jump rope trick, we'll begin with the first step. We'll avoid the jump rope and try to maintain balance on single foot like this, and then we'll try to do the same on the other foot. Now for most of the people this step will be really easy, but for those it's quite hard. Try to focus on this step and then move on to the second step, in which we'll jump on single foot like this, practicing it on the right foot, and then we'll practice it on the left foot like this. Now while jumping on the single foot, you need to take care that you should not jump too high. You should be able to jump up to that height so that the jump rope can pass under your feet. In the third step, we'll start with the basic jumps, and then we'll lift our left foot up and try to perform single foot jumps at least twice. Let me show you. We'll start with the basic jumps. Lift left foot up and try to perform it at least twice. Now we'll do it on the other side. We'll start with the basic jumps, perform it, and then we'll try to lift our right foot up and then perform single foot jumps. We'll start with the basic jumps, lift right foot and try to perform single foot jumps. In the fourth step, I want you to perform an activity. I want you to record yourself while performing single foot jumps on mobile or camera, keeping your camera quite close to your feet, so that way you will be able to record how high you jump when you perform single foot jumps, and able to understand and record yourself and try to work on that and improve yourself. In the fifth and the final step, we'll create a routine. We'll perform basic jumps 5 times, and then we'll lift our left foot up and try to perform single foot jumps 3 times, and then we'll perform basic jumps again 5 times, and now this time we'll lift our right foot up and try to perform single foot jumps 3 times, and then we'll perform basic jumps. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start with the basic jumps, try to perform it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift our left foot up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how you will be able to work on this routine, and you will be able to improve yourself in performing single foot jumps. And after some time, you'll be able to perform it for longer time. So guys, single foot jumps is just a matter of practice. If you practice a lot, you'll be able to perform this jump rope trick without any effort. And I hope you find this video useful. I hope you find this routine useful. I'll see you next time.